In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana Team Management, how to use Asana as a team. 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. Enter your work email address and click Continue. On the next screen, type your password and select Log In. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow those prompts as well. Keep your credentials private and consider using a password manager for security and speed. Once you're on the Asana homepage, you'll see your My Tasks, your inbox, and recent work. The left sidebar is your navigation hub, showing your teams and projects. This is where team setup begins. Create a team to organize your department, project group, or client work. Give the team a clear, recognizable name and a short description so everyone understands its scope. Choose whether it's private to invited members or discoverable to your organization, depending on how broadly you want others to see and join it. Next, invite your teammates, add their work emails, and set the right access level. Full members can collaborate across the team's projects, while limited access is useful for stakeholders who only need visibility on specific projects. Think ahead about who can create projects, invite others, and edit settings so the team stays structured as it grows. Before building projects, align on simple conventions. Decide how you'll name projects, like marketing and website launch in Q1, so everything is searchable and consistent. Agree on how tasks should be written, what details to include, and how you'll communicate. Use task comments for updates, mention people when you need action or clarification, and rely on the inbox for notifications. Now organize your work into projects. Choose list or board view based on preference, then create sections to reflect stages or work streams. Break larger deliverables into tasks and subtasks so nothing gets lost. Assign each task to exactly one owner to keep accountability crystal clear, and add collaborators for anyone who needs to follow along. Set due dates to keep momentum, and add start dates when timing matters. Use tags or custom fields to prioritize, such as high, medium, or low, and to capture details like channel, effort, or status. Keep these fields focused so your team isn't overwhelmed. Finally, update task progress regularly. Move items through sections, adjust dates when priorities shift, and leave concise comments to share decisions and next steps. A quick daily check of my tasks and a weekly review of team projects will keep everyone aligned and moving forward.